In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ThinkOrSwim Paper Trading. ThinkOrSwim Paper Trading, also known as paper money, allows you to trade with fake money using real market data. It's an excellent way to practice trading without any financial risk. First, let's start by logging into ThinkOrSwim, either through the web or desktop application. Go to trade.thinkorswim.com and log in using your Schwab or TD Ameritrade credentials. This is your gateway to accessing the ThinkOrSwim platform. Once you're logged in, the next step is to switch to paper trading mode. If you're using ThinkOrSwim Web, click on your account name located at the top right corner. Look for the option that says Switch Account. From there, select Paper Money or Paper Trading. Now, for those using the ThinkOrSwim desktop version, click on Setup, which is also at the top right. Select Application Settings, and then navigate to Paper Trading. Enable the option to Show Paper Trading Account. This allows you to switch your account from live to paper money. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your trades are risk-free. With paper trading mode activated, you'll notice some key features. You will see a fake cash balance, which is usually set to $100,000. This balance allows you to execute trades as you would in a real account. Additionally, you have access to real-time market data, live charts, and a variety of indicators. These tools are identical to what you would use in a live trading scenario, offering a realistic environment for practice. Remember, practicing with these tools is essential because it helps you become familiar with the platform and trading strategies. Now, let's move on to placing a paper trade. Begin by searching for a stock like AAPL in the search bar. Once the stock appears, click on Trade. You'll have options to choose from such as buy or sell, the number of shares, and the order type, whether it's market or limit. After you've made your choices, click on Review, then Send Order. The trade will be executed using virtual money instantly. This process mimics real trading, allowing you to see how your decisions play out without any financial commitment. After that, you'll want to track your practice trades to see how you're doing. Navigate to the Monitor tab where you can view your positions, profit and loss, and account history. This section is crucial for developing an understanding of your trading performance and for refining your strategies. It's important to note that while paper trading uses real market prices, the emotions and execution aspects are not the same as real trading. This is because there's no real money at stake. However, you can reset your paper account anytime if you wish to start over. This feature is particularly useful for experimenting with different strategies such as scalping, swing trading, or learning the basics of options. In summary, ThinkOrSwim Paper Trading is a powerful tool for anyone looking to practice trading in a risk-free environment. By using real market data and comprehensive trading tools, you can gain valuable experience and confidence. Keep experimenting, learning, and refining your strategies, and soon you'll feel ready to tackle live trading. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.